What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am out here with the Wright Velke Hydro 48-inch doing some mower maintenance. Quick tip here for you guys: always make sure you're checking your equipment weekly, and the reason could be what we're going through right now, doing some maintenance. I luckily caught mine because I check my mower every single week. After every single mowing week, I check everything. I check my oil, my gas, I check my blades, sharpen my blades, I check my belt, which is what we're going to be talking here today. I check over all my grease fittings, make sure everything is greased up so we can limit our big money expense maintenance issues that come across with wear items, which is a mower. A commercial mower is a wear item. Everything on it pretty much wears out. Tires, fluid, gas empties out, moving parts, all stuff like that. So here is what you don't want to come across in a customer's yard. So this basically is on its last leg. So this is our deck belt, in which it's called. It's on its last leg. I don't know if I hit a rock, stick came up here and got in through the blades, or it's just wearing prematurely like it's supposed to, how it does anyhow. For me, I'm a landscaper that always picks up rocks and sticks before I mow anyone's yard, so I know it wasn't that. So for me, I know this is probably just 2 years worth of wear. So I've had this mower again for 2 years, and this is the original belt that came on it, and it's time to replace it after seeing this. So I'm making a video for you guys right now how to change a belt on a commercial mower, so make sure you guys check that video out. I just wanted to give you guys that quick tip. Don't go out and mow anyone's yard with a broken belt. Stuck and this belt breaks and you see it fly off the mower, now you're stuck. So now you were just in the process of making money, and now you have to stop making money to go find a belt. If you don't have a backup with you, which most people don't. I always do, just in case, but for things like this. But if you don't, now you got to stop working, leave your mower in somebody's yard. If it's your hydro belt, you're stuck in the water. But if it's your deck belt, you could be able to put your mower back on the trailer and drive it to your parts store and get your belt that way. But still, again, you had to stop in someone's yard because your mower belt broke, and now you have to lose time, which is not what landscapers are all about. We're about being efficient and cutting down time so we can get back home to our families. So thank you guys for watching, appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, click over to the next video of how we're installing our new belt, our new deck belt for our Wright Velke 48-inch Hydro.